What's up, guys? Welcome to Mike It Yourself. Today's video on Review Wednesday is going to be about the Saddlebag guards that I put on. And I got these, I think, off of I want to say it was off of eBay. Super low price. And I was a little concerned that either the bars weren't going to fit right or it was going to be really poor metal or something, right? And I was worried that it was going to start pitting and stuff like that. And I can tell you, none of that has happened. I've had them on for a bit now, and my bike sits next to our lawn, and I try as best as I can to try to tuck up my bike cover so sprinklers don't hit the bike, because it gets white, the hard water spots all over my bags and everything. It drives me nuts, and then on the chrome. But in addition to that, of course, the saddlebag guard would get it, and they, would cause pitting, corrosion, that kind of stuff. And I'll tell you, they look just as good as the day I put them on. Now, I will say that the chrome job that they did on it, it's not super duper high quality. And what I mean by that is it's not as smooth, right? But it doesn't look bad. Like, if you're not truly looking for it, if you're like, man, I want to see, my absolute perfect reflection in these. If you don't care about that, then these are the ones for you. If you're looking for that higher grade, higher quality, and I don't even know if the other brands offer it, but if they do, then you might want to look at that other brand, the higher cost ones, to get that better quality of chrome job on there. But all in all, these things have done their job. I actually had an instance where I forgot that I had lowered the air suspension on my bike, and when I was moving it around, I got hooked up on a taller piece of grass, and I ended up kind of just tipping over, right? So it wasn't like a drop. It was I lost my balance, and the bike went onto its side. Immediately, the bar hit the grass. So luckily for me, it was a grassy area, so it didn't scratch anything. But it proved to me that these things will protect your bag, so that's nice. Now, the risk you're taking when you do stretched, either caps or stretch bags, is it goes further than these things are necessarily made for. So it's possible that you could scratch that off. I didn't have that problem, but it's definitely possible. But at the end of the day, these caps are like, I don't know, 60-70 bucks. For the cost of a saddlebag, I'll toss that thing. That's not a big deal. So that makes it really easy, and these things are worth their weight in gold, right? Just because, like I said, if it can protect your paint, if it can protect those bags that are super expensive, then it's a win. It's a win all the way, no matter which way you look at it. So they offer them in black, they offer them in chrome, and like I said, they look awesome. Way good price, and yeah, another definite win. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, subscribe. If you don't want to miss out on that next video, hit the notification bell. You'll get the ding to let you know, hey, video's posted. And until then, I hope to see you in the win.